So yoga is union, and a really good starting place when you come to a yoga practice is initially union with yourself. And you can do that through physical practice, through a seated practice. It's taking that time to just be here and be more present. And then the deeper that you go in, the more you can reach out. So the more that you invest in yourself, the more you've then got to share. And so therefore then union then becomes relationship with somebody else, relationship to other things, relationship to your environment. It joins you both inside and outside, and that is the union. And so teaching is the same thing. How do you reach out to the people that are in the class? How do you bring that knowledge that you've cultivated in your own practice and deliver it and help other people to find what is them, what's their union, who they are, or allow them to be more themselves within their class. And that's the beauty of a yoga practice. That's the intention of a yoga class versus perhaps other movement classes. When you start practicing more and more and more, it's like bumping into yourself. So you start to catch glimpses of how you are and go, is that really me? Do I really do that? Am I like that? And sometimes they're nice things, but more often than not, they're like, do I really do that? I don't really want to do that anymore. And you start to notice the habitual patterns that we have that perhaps aren't so helpful to us, the things that are subconscious that we do, which don't help others or ourselves. And I think that's where it gets really interesting, because then you really can start to change. But it's not because you're running after change, you just start changing. Almost don't even realise it's happening.